No one expected this to happen when the robbers came up beside this car. They opened the door and threatened the grandpa to get out. But inside the gate, the granddaughter can be seen. Because she doesn't notice what's happening outside, she opened the gate to enter the car. But when she was about to come out, she noticed that grandpa was being attacked. She immediately tried to close the door so that the robbers couldn't enter the gate. Because the dogs sensed that something bad was happening to the grandpa, they did not hesitate and attacked the robbers to save the grandpa. Luckily, no one was hurt on the incident except to the bad guys. Do you think this dogs is a hero? Like and subscribe.